Want to learn how to use Flipgrid in 5 minutes? Well, let's go ahead and get started. Flipgrid's a great tool for video discussion, and it's so easy to set up. So first thing you'd want to do is sign up for an account if you don't have one already. You can sign up via a Google account or a Microsoft account. Once you've created your account, then what you can do is you can log in. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose log in. I already have a Google account associated with this, so I'm just going to put in my information, and voila, here's my dashboard. So as a teacher, this is your dashboard. This is where you're going to see the total number of hours of engagement or videos that your students have made, and also your grids. Now your grid is your class name, or even a topic name. For just this example, I'm going to create a new grid, and I'm going to call it Language Arts. And we'll call it period 2. Now, the grid type is how people are going to join. So if you wanted something where anybody with any old email address could join, you could use this right here. If you have students under the age of 13 that don't have Google accounts or Microsoft accounts, you could go right here. If you have Microsoft or G Suite or Google accounts for your students, this is the way to go. School email. This actually blocks out anybody else who might try to have access to your account. Here's how. You simply choose this and you hit next. Now, right here it says where you can add your school email. What it's looking for is everything after the @ sign. So in my school, we actually have two different, these things are called domains. We have one for teachers, which you see right there, and then one for students. So I'm going to put mhs-pa.org. Now, the next thing I would do is I would hit next. Once I do that, now this is my grid. I can then copy and paste this into an email. I can put it into Google Classroom. I could put it into Microsoft Teams. I could even embed it in my website, or even I have a QR code, which I can show you here in just a second. I'm going to hit go to your grid. So this is my grid right here, and each grid is filled with what are called topics or discussion questions. It's kind of like a discussion board. So this one is the first one that you see on Flipgrid, where everybody has this, say hello on Flipgrid. So I'm going to show you what students would see. So when a student goes in and they see this, they would log into their Google account. Once they log in, they're going to see this question. It says, welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus button below and open the Flipgrid camera. Then actually record a short video. So when students do this for the very first time, they're going to hit plus, and then it's going to ask for access to their camera and their microphones to make sure that they do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and hit record. I'm going to record my video. Hi everybody, my name is Matt. I'm happy to be here. You can also, if you'd like, add emojis. So I'm going to put emojis right here. So let's say you had a shy student who wants an emoji over their face. You could do that, or put it over here in the background. Other things you can do, you can add text, you could draw. There's even a whiteboard feature, which you can do math problems. I'll have more on that in another video, or you can add what is called a photo sticker. Now I'm ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Hi everybody, my name is Matt. I'm happy. There's my preview, and now I have to take a selfie. So I'm going to go ahead and take a selfie. All right, I'm going to hit next, and voila, there's my video, and that's what students will do, and they'll go ahead and hit submit. Students can reply to one another if you'd like, depending on how you set up your actual topic. Okay, so let's show you how to actually create your own topic if you don't want to necessarily use Flipgrids. So what you can do is you can simply go right here on your dashboard and go to add a new topic. Once you do that, you're going to put in a topic title. So this might be good for, putting down, book talk, or, maybe you have a specific assignment name. Now what you can do is you can put down how long you want students to record. If you put down 15 seconds, after 15 seconds, the camera is going to cut off. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to keep mine at 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then you could put a writing prompt, or not a writing prompt, but a discussion prompt right here. So I'm going to say, tell us about your book. All right, there's other things that you can add as well. So if you wanted to record a video, maybe providing an example of how to do this, or more instructions, you could do that as well. You could even upload your own video. And what I also like is you can even add jiffy pictures right here. So for example, if I wanted to, type in book, Here's my animated GIF. I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to hit create my topic. Now, if I want to just share this topic and I don't want them to see any other topics that are available, I can simply just copy and paste this link, or I can put it into Google Classroom. It's a cool idea in Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams where if you copy this and paste it, maybe give your students the option of responding via video or text. It's a really interesting way of doing things. And here's a QR code that if they have their mobile device, they can access that as well. So I'm going to show you right here. If you want your students to access your entire grid where all your topics are, you can simply just share this right here, this link, and this will take you to this dashboard where they can see all of your discussion questions. If you want just to have them go to just this right here, you don't want them to see the say hello on Flipgrid, you can simply go right here to share, and once again, you can copy and paste that link in any platform you want. Now let's say, for instance, you don't want this anymore and you want it to go away. You can simply check it. Oops, let me just go back here. Simply check the box. My mouse would work here. And what you can do is you can actually delete the topic if you want. You can even hide it so that they can't see it, but you can keep it for later. You can also do that right over here if you'd like. The beauty of Flipgrid is it can be used on any device with a web access. So whether you have an iPhone, iPad, a Chromebook, laptop, it does not matter. As long as you have a webcam, internet connection, and audio, you're going to be in good shape. So that's a 5-minute tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.